How to enable Windows 11's new calendar pause updates feature. Open the ViveTool GitHub website page. Scroll down the Page and Assets section, click the ViveTool intelAmd zip. Save ViveTool file in your PC where you want download ViveTool file. Go to the ViveTool file. Right-click the ViveTool file and click the Extract All button. Click the Extract button. Open Start. Type Command Prompt in search bar. Right-click the Command Prompt app and select the Run as Administrator option. When User Account Control windows pop-up appear, click the Yes button. Copy ViveTool file path. Double-click the file path and right-click it, and then select Copy. Type CD and pass the copied ViveTool file path, and press Enter key. Type the following command to enable the pause updates setting on the Windows Update page, and press Enter. Successfully set feature configurations. Restart the computer. Once you complete the steps, the Pause for 1 week button is replaced by a calendar control, allowing you to set a specific date for when updates will resume. This effectively allows for much longer pause periods than the current preset limits.